Today, we'll talk about Siddharth, who recently completed his MBA from a reputed business school and joined his father's business. 1 year down the line, these are his three critical problems. Number 1, zero visibility of inventory. Number 2, sales and purchase documentations are not streamlined. Number 3, high manual dependency in report creation. Siddharth soon realizes that he needs a product which can be implemented quickly, can be easily adopted by his team, and is cost effective. One fine day, Siddharth came across TranZact, a zero effort business transformation tool that digitizes your business processes. Siddharth signs up by entering his details. He then chooses his type of business and then selects his three major problems. After having signed up, Siddharth begins by uploading his company master data. Next, he uploads his buyer and seller details. Coming to documentation, the strong integration of inventory with sales and purchase is exactly what Siddharth was looking for. Moreover, Siddharth is able to standardize his communication, making it a lot more professional. Now, with business intelligence and 70 plus business reports, Siddharth is efficiently able to visualize all the data right in front of him and take much better data-driven decisions for his business. With the help of TranZact and its super easy and essential features, Siddharth is now easily able to save more than 3 hours a day and focus more on priorities like business growth.